Hiya, my name's Kelly. I'm a qualified children's nurse. I've recently come over from General Hospital about 6 months ago now to the Highfield. Since arriving at the Highfield, I've been given lots and lots of brilliant supervision and support, lots of opportunities for training, which has been hugely beneficial for me, especially as this is a new area of nursing. I work very, very collaboratively with the young people and their families. It's a really special dynamic. I work closely with the multidisciplinary team. It's very much a group effort here. This is a really, really rewarding, interesting, amazing place to work.
Working for the Trust has provided me with great career progression opportunities. I've worked in the team now for around 13 years, started off as a support worker in the day hospital and then was seconded through the Open University to do my nursing, so I could stay in my team while I studied. I love being in my team, hence why I'm still here. We're all really friendly and really supportive of each other. Come and join us!
I'm Sarah. I began my career within the Trust following completing my nurse training at Oxford University. I initially began working within the adult directorate on an adult ward, and then after a couple of years I moved into child and adolescent services. I've had a number of roles within this department as both staff nurse, charge nurse, and now I'm working as the matron at the Highfield Adolescent unit. The reason I've stayed within this Trust and really enjoy working here is because of the Trust's commitment to learning. So there's many opportunities to learn, to teach and to attend different courses. So recently I've attended a mentalisation training at the Anna Freud Centre and also completed some PBS training.
Hi, my name's Tom. I started working at the Highfield unit in 2013. I had the opportunity to work there as a healthcare assistant initially and then was supported to go off and do my nurse training. I came back to the Highfield unit as a qualified staff nurse in September 2019 and I have remained there and I've recently been promoted into an acting charge nurse position.
CAMHS is constantly evolving and this provides opportunities for training as well as career progression. I trained as a non-medical prescriber 4 years ago and I joined CAMHS 3 years ago specifically as a prescriber to treat children and adolescents who have ADHD. Since working in CAMHS, I have had support, supervision and training to develop my knowledge and skills, not only to specialise in ADHD, but to work with autism too. Over the past year, I've been working a lot from home. This suits me as I can spend more time with my family and also I have my comforts around me which I cannot ordinarily take to the office. I enjoy working in my team because it's truly multidisciplinary. I work with social workers, occupational therapists, speech and language therapists, psychiatrists, psychologists.
My name is Esther Agbola Olode. I'm a mental health practitioner with learning disability CAMHS in Oxford. One of my major roles is working with young people with learning disabilities and onset of mental health conditions. I also support family as well to ensure that young people achieve their daily activity needs and also supporting them with their physical health needs and mental health needs as well. One of the things that I've enjoyed working with learning disability camps is it allows me to have a balanced family and work life because of the flexibility.
So Oxford Health is a really good trust to work for, specifically at the Highfield unit. I've had many opportunities to train and develop my nursing skills, being offered the opportunity to do DBT therapy and CBT also. Alongside this, also being trained in clinical skills, which allows you to further develop your nursing portfolio, and yeah, been fantastically supported throughout my time.
Presently, I have the opportunity to commence a professional nurse advocate course with University of Derbyshire, which is being facilitated by NHS England, and I believe this will help with my career progression as well.